Hello and welcome. My name is Steve. Let's start by just making yourself comfortable. You could be sitting or lying down, however you feel best. Allow your body to just sink into your position, releasing and relaxing your muscles. If you haven't already, feel free to close your eyes and just notice your breath. As you breathe in, just observe how your body is feeling. Scan up from your feet all the way up to your head. Look for any tension or stress in your muscles. Notice how your breath feels and also your heartbeat. Get used to scanning your body and recognizing how it feels. You don't need to change anything, just observing. How does your mind feel just exploring here too? It's perfectly normal to have a busy mind. You don't need to do anything. Just noticing how you're feeling before we start this exercise. As you continue to breathe in your natural flow, I'll just explain the breathing exercise we're going to start in a moment. I will count to 3 on each breath in. We will hold the breath for a count of 2, and I will count to 7 on each breath out. This flow will be repeated through the exercise. And if you become uncomfortable or lightheaded at any stage, just allow yourself to return to your normal, natural breathing. Be gentle with yourself. Be aware and keep tuning in to how your body is feeling. So let's start now. As you breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let your breath return to its normal flow again. If it feels good, take some deep breaths now. Taking a small break from the guided breathing exercise. Remember, if you feel any discomfort or lightheaded, just skip the next exercise. There's no rush. But if you're ready and okay to continue, let's return to the breathing exercise now. As you breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold, 1, 2, breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, just returning to your normal breathing. If it feels good, take some more deep, soothing breaths. Maybe even a sigh as you breathe out. Just let it all go. Take this opportunity to again explore how you're feeling. Is your mind any calmer? Remembering it's totally normal for thoughts to come and go. Check in across your whole body too. Observing any changes in how you feel. Maybe in your neck, shoulders, or chest. Do your muscles feel any softer? Hold on to any areas of calm and peace, no matter how small. Notice the rhythm of your heartbeat now, the pace of your breath. Just looking out for any changes since starting this exercise. Be curious with how your body is feeling and where. Try to accept that the feelings of anxiety may still be present. It often takes longer for our body to acknowledge that we're safe in this moment. If you wish, you can continue with the guided breathing exercise. Making sure you take a break if anything feels uncomfortable or lightheaded. You're in a safe space here. It's time to look after yourself. Know that many people suffer from anxiety and you're not alone. There are so many other techniques and breathing exercises you can learn too. If it feels good, take a few more deep breaths. As we come to the end of this meditation, observe any areas of calm, no matter how small. And taking all the time you need, gently open your eyes. Allow yourself to stay still for just a little longer. As you reintegrate into the space around you. Remembering that you can do this anytime you need to.